Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. I just got the access of Google AI chatbot Bard and I thought it will be interesting to see how it competes with Microsoft Chat GPT and which one you should use in what scenario. Here I will be testing both Google bot and Chat GPT AI bot with same prompt to understand which one is better. So let the battle begin. This is how Google Bard looks and this is Bing powered by Chat GPT. Let's start with the basic question that we all have in our mind. Which is better, Bard or ChatGPT, and see what does it answer. So here what Bard is saying. They both are LLMs, language models. In this one, it's saying that ChatGPT is more verbally dexterous than Bard. So Bard is at least self-conscious in this respect. It can generate text more creative and engaging way, while Bard is better at summarizing information than ChatGPT. In the conclusion, it is saying that ChatGPT is better choice for tasks that require creativity and engagement, while Bard is better choice for tasks that requires accuracy and reliability. Let's go ahead and check the same thing in ChatGPT. So this is what ChatGPT produced. It is saying that although both of them are same, here it's saying the choice between both depends on the specific task you want to perform. If you want to generate that is coherent and fluent, GPT might be a better choice. If you want to perform text summarization or machine translation, Bard might be more suitable. So in both answer, I can see this summarization to be common, which I think Bard does better. While if the text you want it to be more coherent or fluent, then ChatGPT is your guy. The one thing I like about it is like it's asking you, like, do you have any specific task in mind? Then it will give us more answers. So let's try it out. So this is what it's providing. So it's more the conversation style of ChatGPT is very good. It's saying that if you want to write blogs, then better use ChatGPT. So in terms of conversation style, I like ChatGPT better than Bard. So it's ChatGPT 1 and Bard 0. One thing I like about Bard is like it's providing 3 drafts for you for each of the question that you are asking. So like you have multiple options to choose from. So this together with the draft option, I like it better than what we have in Bing. So here in terms of UI, I'll be giving Bard a +1. Now let's go ahead to the next test that we want to do. That's on mathematics. Let me ask a very basic maths question to Bard. A simple compound interest question. Let's see what it's returning. So this is what Bard came up with and the answer seems to wrong and also the explanation is also a little bit glitchy. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Let's ask the same question to ChatGPT. So the answer here is almost right. I also tried some other questions also. In terms of accuracy, ChatGPT was way ahead of Bard. So here the point will go to ChatGPT. So now ChatGPT is 2 versus Bard 1. The third test that I want to do is on terms of content creation. Let me ask it to create a press release for my bakery shop in Seattle. One other thing, if you have noticed, Bard kind of gives you all of the answer at once, while ChatGPT takes some time to write whole of the answer. So this is the press release it has created. It's good, following all the patterns that is needed. Let us see now what ChatGPT is creating for us. I'll ask the same question. So if you see this one, the draft release, this is way better than what we have on Bard. It has added some more option like we are providing a variety of classic and seasonal items, and it has also given me an option where I can add my own content also. So here in terms of content creation, I'll be giving +1 to ChatGPT. So that's the score now. One other test that I want to do is like I want to ask both of them to write a poem and see how they both function. So this is what it has created. So if you see, it's not kind of rhyming and it's good, but it's little bit bland. There's no rhythm, no rhymes. It has tried to add all of the coding related words here, but the content is very bland. It's less like a poem and more like small sentences kind of thing. Let us see what ChatGPT does for us. So this is what ChatGPT has created. So I personally like it better than Bard because first it has a little bit more expression. If you see, so here's to the coder, the builder of our time. May their code be elegant and their logic always shine. So there's kind of a rhythm in here. In aglow and fro, they are also rhyming. So that's better. So in terms of quality of content, I will be giving ChatGPT a +1 here. So that's our scoreboard. Now let's try some current affair. So in this term, I think Bard is better than ChatGPT because ChatGPT has been trained as of on data of 2021 only, while Bard is being trained on the recent activity also. So let me ask it about. Here I am asking about a book spared written by Prince Harry of England and see if Google can provide us an answer. So it has already provided us the answer, Spares the Memoir of Prince Harry. So it's a pretty balanced summarized report. Let me ask the same question to ChatGPT. So if you see here, I have by mistake put in the wrong name, but Google Bard was able to search for it because it has been trained on those model. But since I think Bing goes back to the search model, that's why it was not able to search it that accurately. So it's asking me that question. So since ChatGPT is not trained on this 2022 model, so that's why it was not able to find the answer, and it has to go back and ask us some question and then provide the answer. It was able to provide us the answer after that, but I think the main point that I wanted to test here was that does it have those data? Is the model trained on those data? For which the answer is no. So for this one, there will be a +1 on the bar. So the next thing I want to test it about is like how it can summarize the content. So I have a YouTube video of my own, easiest way to make money with ChatGPT, and I want it to be summarized by Bing as well as Bard, and let's see what are the result. So if you see, it can't summarize an YouTube videos because it does not have the ability to watch or summarize it. Let me ask the same question to Bard and see what it replies. So it does provide a summary, but the summary is completely wrong, and I think it's also about a different video. So for that, I think it will be a null for both of them because all wrong. Now let's see if it can code something. I can ask Bart to create a simple web page with beautiful CSS about 20 healthy eating habits. So this is the code. If you see, it's pretty simple. There's not much styling added here, as well as the content is also very simple. If I copy this into an HTML file, this is what it looks like. You can see there's not much CSS, and it has created a very simple site. If I ask the same question in ChatGPT, I get a better answer. So this is what I get when I ask the same question in ChatGPT. It has provided me with the title. This is the whole body. It has also provided us with some vibrant colors. It's all SEO optimized. You are seeing that it has a header section, a main section. So it's following all of the coding patterns that we need to follow. So if I copy pasted that code, this is what I came up with. If you see, it's much more better stylized, and it's also using the green and the white symbol to make it color contrast for this website. So all in all, this is way better than the Bard code. And although in here we are trying a very simple example, but my whole intent of using this example was to show you that in terms of coding, ChatGPT is still better than Bard. We can see ChatGPT is way better than Bard in almost all the respect. So if you want to write content or do mathematics, ChatGPT is a better option for you now. But of course, it's only first draft of Bard, and Google does have a large data set. So we have to wait what future improvements Bard will be coming up with, and will it be able to compete with ChatGPT. That's it for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more awesome content like this, and I'll see you again in next session of What's New in Tech.